Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm showing you how to make a fun fold with For the Books bundle. Here are the stamps. Some of them are mounted already, so they're on in here. And here are the dies. And if you're wondering, this one actually cuts a circle for a bookmark if you want to make, and this one actually makes a tassel. And here is the fun fold. So here's the front, and here's the inside. I made it so the books are kind of like on shelves. So let's get started. So you're going to use a card base that is 5 by 10, and you want to score at 4 inches and 5 inches. And then I'm going to show you how to do the fun cutting and scoring. I'm not sure if you could see that. There's 3 cuts and then scores this way. And then the card front's 4 by 5, and then I die cut the book in the part that simulates the pages. So for the cutting, I did use my trimmer, and basically you put it in the trimmer and you're going to cut these pieces or lines, sorry. So just as it says, you cut at 1 1/4. So if you stick it in this way vertically and go to 1 1/4 here, and it says cut 2 1/4 to 3 1/4. So basically I like to put my thumb here to hold it. 2 1/4 here, and then you're going to let go and then cut to 3 3/4 there. And then you're going to move it to 2 1/2 and cut from 1 3/4 to 3 1/4. And then the last cut is at 3 3/4 from 1 1/4 to 2 3/4. And I'll let you pause and screenshot that. Then you're going to turn it this way and do the scores. So here you're going to put that blade up, score 6 1/4, and then 7 1/4. And obviously I put out the arm to do that, but I'm just showing you right now for doing it. And then you're going to score to the second line from 6 3/4 to 3 3/4. So they're inch apart. Then the third line is 7 1/4, 8 1/4. Last one to the bottom, 7 3/4 and 8 3/4. There you go. Then before we actually fold on any of these, we want to stamp the books here. So I have some memento, and luckily these books fit perfectly. So I'm going to do some here, and then let's see, did I bring the other one? You can also do the skinny one here to make it look like the books are leaning on the shelf, if that makes sense. So I can do this. And then I'll do the opposite here. And you can decide which way do you like the best. And then I also have the saying here. This one's for the books. And then I like this one kind of in the corner right here. And I really like this fold. Okay, so first things first. So the 4 and the 5, so you're going to fold it this way, mountain for both of them. So you're like that. And then for this one, if you can remember just the mountain or the valley and the mountain, then you can figure out how to actually fold this. So start with the mountain here, and then this one's going to be a valley. And then as you're making that the valley, like that, see? And you can see the other one's doing the following along suit. So here, that one's making a mountain, that one's making a mountain, and then they just follow. It's the coolest thing. And that's what you get. So I'm going to use my bone folder to burnish them really well. And then what you're basically doing is adhering just this piece to the back to make that shape. Okay, so I'm going to get some glue and lightly do it. I like to do, the faster you do it, the thinner the glue gets. You're going to match the edges and make sure all that glue is spread out. I'm going to set that aside. And then on this one, I already used some black, so I'm going to wash it with my chamois. Then randomly turning half on, half off. There, that's my random. And then I'm going to glue this page, the pages on here. It's really cute. They're all slitted and everything. So it gives that good dimension. I'm going to take my other dimensionals and to the edges. I get excited when I get to the edges. And I think that's it. Take the release papers off. You can use your pick your tool if you'd like. These aren't too bad. And put that there. Oh, and I forgot my sentiment. Then for you, should I do it in black? I'll do it in the berry burst. Let's see if it still works even with dimensionals. Yay! Then all you have to do is put adhesive on the spine of this part, and I fold it down just a little bit, and then put this on top of it, and it will create that lovely fun fold. Watch. Lining up, holding it down. For you. Ready? Ta-da! Oh, I needed that next, this one from the Library of. I think it'll fit right in there. There you go. Got little smudges, but that's okay. And that's the lovely fun fold for the Books bundle. Thanks for watching with me. If you'd like, please like, comment, share, and especially subscribe so you'll see more of these video tutorials. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.